Did you know Phil Mickelson once threw away his first U.S. Open title with one of the worst final hole collapses in golf history? Picture this. It's the 2006 U.S. Open at Winged Foot. Phil stands on the 72nd tee, needing just a simple par to finally win his most wanted major championship. After 5 painful runner-up finishes, this was his moment. But instead of playing it safe with an iron, Phil grabbed his driver. The ball sailed into thick, nasty rough. Now here's where it gets crazy. Rather than just chipping out safely to the fairway, Phil tried to be a hero. He attempted an impossible shot through the trees. The ball smacked right into a corporate tent and bounced back. His next shot flew way over the green. What should have been an easy par turned into a devastating double bogey. Geoff Ogilvy couldn't believe his luck as he suddenly won his first major. Phil's aggressive style had cost him again. One conservative play would have delivered his dreams, but patience just wasn't in Phil's DNA.